Hey, welcome to the complete HTML practical course. In this video, I'm going to cover HTML5 input types, the input types that are new in the HTML5. The first one is input type number. So let's test it here. Let's have a form. And here, let's have an input type text, name, for example, phone number, and a button for the submit, input type submit, and value send. Here this is just for the here I said type your phone number. The users don't type, for example, this is for the phone number, and the users can say like this is for the phone number, and send the data for sending. And here I want to say input type number, that is new in the HTML5. I refresh the page, and here I can't type the text in here. I can type just the number like this. So the next one is input type date. It represents the selecting the date. So let's copy this and paste in here. Here I say birth date. Input type date, and the name is birth date. I refresh. This is birth date. means month, D means day, and year means year. So here you can, by clicking up and down, and here you can click to select the date. So the next one is input type color. It represents how the color picker for ourselves. So here I say, for example, choose your favorite color, and here I say input type color, fav color. Choose your favorite color, and I click on here. It's a color picker for me. I choose a color and I click on OK. The color will change, and I click on OK. The color will change. This is a color picker. So the next one is range. Input type range. It's for representing a range for ourselves. So here I say tell me the level of your for example your skill set. Input type range, and name is skill set. I refresh the page. This is the normal, and this is, you can increase it down or up. So that's like that, and that represent the skill set is very high or very low. So the next one is input type amount. Amount, it represents to select the amount of a year. So here I say choose the month of your DOB, date of birth. Input type month, and this is DOB. As you can see, this is you can type the month in here, for example March, April, and here you can type the year. Here you can select and tell something like that, 2019 March, or name. So this is the DOB of my. So the next one is week. It represents choosing a week of a year. So here I say choose the week of your DOB. Input type week, and the name is DOB week. Here the week, for example, the first week of the 2019. For example, something like this. So the next one is time. Input type time. Here we have something like choose your time. Input type time, and this is the name is time as well. This is the time. For example, 1 of p.m. This is how you can choose the time. Dead time local. Dead time local. Let's see what's that. So choose your dead time local, and that's input time dead time local, and I say local dead time. I refresh. Dead time local. This is month, this is day, this is year, this is hour, this is minute, this is AM or PM. This is dead time local, dead time. So the next one is, which is the most important, and that is email. Let's see. Here I say type your email. Input type email, and phone number is email. Let's see. It's similar like a text box, and here I can type something like this. But when I push the send button, it say please include @ in the email address. When I don't include this, and this is not validated, it search for the validation. For example, my email should be complete when I press on the send button. So the next one is search. Input type search is similar as input type text. So search in here, input type is search, and name is, for example, search keyword. This is similar like text field. I can type anything, but it has something in here that I click on this, the text will disappear. So the next one is, let's see, the next one is URL. URL is like, it show me the error like email. Type your web URL. Input type URL. Here I say web URL. Here it's like a text box as well. When I say something, this is my website URL. When I click on send, please enter a URL. It's not a valid URL. A valid URL is like http www.google.com, and it led me to send because the data is valid. So guys, this is for this video. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed, and in the next video we will cover a lot more about the form and happy coding.